Hi everyone, today I'll be teaching you mini crochet lavender stick. So this you can use in a mini bouquet and vase. This looks very beautiful. So for this I have used 4-ply cotton yarn, 1.5 mm hook, stick, glue, scissor and needle. So now to start this I have used red cotton yarn and 1.5 mm hook. So to start this we need to make a slip knot. We will start with the slip knot. And after making slip knot we will be making 36 chain. So we will start 1 2 3 4 like this. We will be making complete 36 chains. After completing 36 chain, from the third chain we need to make 2 double crochet. We will skip first and then 1 2 3 this chain. You can see this chain we will make 2 double crochet. We will make 2 double crochet in the third chain from the hook. 1 and 2. Now we will make 2 chain, and in the same chain we will make slip stitch in the same chain. Now in next chain we will make single crochet. In the just next chain we will be making single crochet, and now we will make chain in it. We will make 5 chain. Now you can see from where we started there is a V shape. Here we need to make, here can you see, like it's a V shape. Here we will be making a slip stitch. So now we will make a slip stitch from where we have started our chain. Remember that V shape. Now in the next chain we will make single crochet. Next one we will be doing single crochet, and now we will make 5 chain on top of it. 1 2 3 4 5. Again we will be doing slip stitch from where we have started directly on the V shape. This one will be doing the same, and in the next chain we will be doing single crochet. This one, this pattern we will follow for all the 36 chain. Now I have completed this. Now we will make lavender leaf. To make this, first we will make slip knot and then we will make 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 5. And in the first chain we will make one slip stitch, and in next 3 chains we will make single crochet. 1 2 3. Now we will make 5 chain again, and in next we will make one slip stitch and then say 3 single crochet. 1 2 3. Now again we will make 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 5. So this we need to repeat 7 times. Now it's done. Let's start assembling it. To assemble it, let's take the stick. You can cut as per your choice. Whatever size you need for that lavender stick, you can cut accordingly. And now we will be pasting our top part on the lavender stick. In this inside part, you can add the glue and start rounding to the stick. Make sure top part is securely attached. After that you will be attaching the remaining part. So wait till it's attached properly. After that we will start attaching remaining part. Now it's hard and fixed. We will start with the remaining one. Add the glue in between so that it will be strong. So in between, after doing one round, you can start adding glue so that it will be completely secured. We will be doing this till the end until our complete lavender stick is done. We need to remove this remaining thread. So what we can do, you can knot them together so that it will stick around, and we will attach the leaf with this. You can knot this red thread and the green leaf together, and then we'll remove this extra thread and we'll wrap it over. So you can see how I'm doing. You can do the same way. Do not forget to add the glue in the starting part of leaf, because this will be the main point where it can be removed. So add glue properly and neatly. Make sure you are doing everything neatly. This is not hot glue, so it's good. You can do it easily with it. I'll add the link in description. So this way you can round it, and in remaining stem you can wrap the green thread according to your choice. Like whatever length you need, you can wrap it accordingly. Now our stick is completed. If you like my video, do comment and subscribe, and let's meet in another video. Thank you.